Hello everyone, welcome to this Django tutorial. So in this Django tutorial, I'm going to tell you what do you need to download for Django. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all, you have to download Python. So guys, after downloading Python, next you have to download our text editor. So guys, you can download VS Code or Python or Sublime. So guys, here I'm going to use this VS Code. So guys, next you have to create a folder. So guys, here you can see I have created this folder. So guys, next you have to open this folder in VS Code. So guys, now click on open with code. So guys, now here you are in VS Code. So guys, now I'm going to cut this. So guys, next you have to open terminal. So for that you have to click on terminal. Then guys, next you have to click on new terminal. Now guys, we're going to install Django. So for that you have to type pip install Django. Now guys, just you have to click on enter. So guys, then here you can see requirement already satisfied. So this means Django is already downloaded. So guys, now you can see what version of Django you have installed. So for that you have to type here pip freeze. Now click on enter. So guys, here in the top you can see you installed Django 4.0.1. So guys, now next we're going to clear this terminal. So for that you have to type here clear. So guys, before going any further, I want to tell you, if you don't know any Python, then guys, first go and learn Python. So after learning Python, then you need to learn Django. So guys, without Python you can't learn Django. So guys, if you want to learn Django, then first you have to learn Python. So guys, after learning Python, then you can watch this video. So guys, now next we're going to create a project in Django. So for that you have to type here Django admin, start project. Next you have to type your project name. So guys, I'm going to type here main. So guys, here you can type anything. So guys, now here you can see main. So we have created this folder and this file and this folder. So in this folder you can see these files, and in this main folder you can see these files. So guys, this is the main folder, and in the main folder you can see the main folder again and a file called managed.py. So guys, next after creating Django project, then you have to close this VS Code. So guys, next you have to open this folder called main. Now you have to open this folder in VS Code. Now guys, here you can see. So guys, now here you can see you have opened this folder called main, and next you have to click on terminal again. Now click on new terminal. So guys, now we're going to create a Django app. So guys, for that you have to type here Python manage.py start app, then your app name. So guys, I'm going to type here home. Now click on enter. So guys, now here you can see we have created this folder called home. So in the folder you can see this file. So guys, this main folder and this home folder is not same. So guys, in the main folder you can't find apps.py, but here in the home folder you can't find setting.py. So guys, this folder is not same. So guys, after creating Django project and Django app, next we're going to link this Django app to Django project. So for that you have to go to settings.py. After this you have to go to install the app. So guys, now here you have to type your app name. So my app name is home. So guys, now just you have to save this. So guys, now next let's open the terminal again. So guys, next I'm going to open this file in browser. So for that you have to type here python manage.py run server. Next so guys, next you have to click on enter. So guys, now here you can see this link. So guys, we have to open this link too. So guys, next we have to open this link in browser. So guys, first let's open our browser. So in the browser we're going to type here 127.0.0.1, then this 800 port. Now click on enter. So guys, now here you can see we have opened our Django project. So guys, next we have to create a url.py file in home. For that you have to click right button on home folder, then guys you have to click on new file, then here you have to type urls.py. Now click on enter. So guys, now we have downloaded everything for Django. So guys, now that's it for now. So guys, thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more computer related videos, then guys please subscribe to this channel and just press the bell icon. So guys, now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.